Mainit na usapin ngayon sa social media ang relasyon ng mag-asawang John Estrada at Priscilla Meireles. Ito ay matapos magkomento sa Priscilla sa kamakailang post ni John sa Boracay na may caption na "What an awesome place." Isang netizen na nagtanong sa post na iyon ni John kung sino ang kasama nito, na tinutukoy nito ay ang karakter ni John sa Batang Quiapo. Nag-reply si Priscilla sa komento ng netizen at tinag nito ang babaeng tinutukoy na kasama ni John sa Boracay na isang foreigner din na si Lily Holman. Dagdag komento pa ni Priscilla, "Looking very divorced, Mr. Estrada." Kasabay nito ang paglabas ng ilang video ni John sa isang bar sa Boracay na nagpa-party at katabi ang tinutukoy na babae na si Lily Holman. Kasalukuyan namang naka-turn off na ang comment section sa post ni John. Samantala, sa Instagram stories ng aktor ay nilinaw nito ang tungkol sa estado ng relasyon nila ni Priscilla at sinabi din nito na wala siyang anumang relasyon sa kasalukuyan. Ayon sa post ni John,
Priscilla and I have mutually agreed to take a break for quite some time now. There's more to the story, but the last thing I want to do is to hurt the people I love. I want to make it clear that I am not in a relationship with Lily Holman or any other woman for that matter. I just met her in Boracay. I had a short break from work and felt the need for a breather. This is a private family matter, that's why I ask for privacy as we deal with this. Thank you.
Agad namang sinagot ni Priscilla ang public statement ni John at ayon kay Priscilla,
I am deeply shocked and disheartened by Mr. Estrada's recent public statement. To clarify, there was never any mutual agreement regarding our separation. We were married when I left the Philippines, and we remain married as of this time. While there is indeed more to this story, it is not the appropriate time to delve into those details. Regardless of what those may be, however, it won't change the course of faith. I appreciate your constant support, kindness, and love during this difficult time. I trust that, in due course, all will be resolved appropriately. Thank you for your understanding.
Habang nagbabakasyon sa Brazil kasama ang kanyang anak, ay nag-live si Priscilla sa kanyang Facebook account at habang binabati nito ang kanyang mga viewers sa kanyang live stream, ay binahagi naman ni Priscilla ang kanyang saloobin tungkol sa value of respect.
New naman ba? Idol, may new naman ba si John? Grabe na ganda mo. Ay, ano ba to? Ay, nako po. Ganon talaga yung buhay. Eh, wala naman eh. Wala ano man. Ganon talaga eh. Ano nangyari? Respeto lang yung gusto ko humingi sa kahit sino. Kasi, pati, especially kami mga babae, diba? We deserve respect. So, yun lang po. So, respect ko lang gusto ko humingi kahit kay kanino. Kasi, talaga ko binigay na respect sa mga tao. Eh, pwede man pumunta sa out of the bansa, diba? Pwede pumunta kayo. Hello! Back ba ako? Ano nangyari? Ah, yes! Okay, we're back. Nawala na bigla. Oh, siguro internet connection kasi. Mag-divorce na John muna. Ana ni Rigor. Wala pang divorce sa Pilipinas, diba? Paano tayo? Joke. So anyways, joke lang guys. Anyways, basta yung gusto ko sabihin, yung naputol ako is that konti respect lang, diba? That's not much to ask, just respect. Konti lang eh, diba? I think that's madali. Just to respect people, I think it's a must. We need to respect each other, we need to respect people. Eh, hindi ko talaga kaya yung mga tao na wala respect kahit kay kanino. Certain things that we need always to respect is family. We need to respect mga magulang. We need to respect mga asawa, tsaka mga anak, diba? So, yun lang sasabihin ko. Respeto lang yung hingin ko sa kay kanino. Ayun. I need some time for myself to think about life, to plan the future, my daughter's future, the future of my family, and of course, the best way to do that is really go to your loved ones, right, to your family, kasi sila talaga yung foundation. And I just want to remind you all to always be kind, and you know, we don't know the battles of the other person. We don't know what they're going through. We should always remember that respect is the most important thing that exists. Respect sa tao, respect sa family, respect sa bansa, diba? So we should always keep in mind that respect is more important even than love. For me, respect comes first and love comes next. So there. So I want to also remind everyone that things that you see in social media, they're not always true to life. I hope you guys understand that being a celebrity, sometimes, we go through things and you do things and you do for the well-being of everyone, but it does not reflect who you are as a person. It does not reflect what you have in your heart. And sometimes you just want to tell to hell to everything, I had enough. So yun lang. Maybe I'm in my time that I said I need to say I had enough. Right? I have a voice, I had enough. And I think when you do things, you need to be very careful about the consequences of the things that you do in life. We're all grown-ups, right? Lahat na social media, hindi para sa mga bata yan. We grown up, we're all adults. Everything that you do, there is a consequence. And I refuse to let it pass anything from this point onwards. So that's basically who I am. I'm a very patient, I'm very kind, and I'm very forgiving person, but until the limit. When I get to my limit, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm the best person for you to fight. Because, the nicest people, they turn to be the most dangerous people. Because when we give our best and we get to the limit of the abuse of certain people, we just throw, literally, we don't care anymore. So there. So I just want to wish you all the very best. Please do remember and remind yung sarili mo to be always kind to everyone. We don't know the battles that other people are going through. We are mere spectators in social media. We don't know what's going through. We just see what people want us to see, right?
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.